Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. It's been about a week or two since I've done a Boston Scally review, I believe, maybe a week. And they just released a cap that they released part one, or I guess number one last year. This is number two, part two. You know, I'm not a big fan of the band. As you could probably guess, I'm already talking about is the Grateful Dead. Last year they came out with a single panel that was the Grateful Dead with the dancing bears and all the other good stuff. And like I said, I wasn't never a big fan. But my uncle, rest his soul, he partaked in the whole Grateful Dead Deadhead type atmosphere. We're talking a lot of the ganja, a lot of the hash or whatever else, grass, marijuana. I mean, he was a stone cold deadhead, literally stoned, even up to his dying days in his 60s. I remember after he passed away, we were cleaning out his refrigerator, and he had about a pound brick of marijuana that we found in the freezer. But yeah, that was just the type of guy he was. He retired at the age of like 40. He was one of the first people from Western Michigan in computer programming back in he graduated in like 65, so it had to be around that time. Moved out to California, worked for Microsoft for a little bit, came back, and next thing you know, from what I remember, he was always sitting at home and having fun. But yeah, smart man, he's a genius. My uncle, proud to call him, rest in peace, Uncle Tom. But yep, this is it here. This is the Grateful Dead 2. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Let's see what all we got in here. We got some stickers. Not too bad. Not too bad. And I got this cap because I was going to get it regardless for my collection, but it just reminded me of that whole 70s vibe with the polyester curtains or whatever they were called, and the green carpets, the green shag carpets. But yeah, that's what it reminded me of. It comes with a dust bag here as well. Here is the dust bag. Pretty cool looking dust bag. And I'm glad they didn't make another flat panel that they did last year. They did come out with a 8-panel cap. And I'm going to wear this in memory of my uncle for sure. But this is it here. I mean, those colors are pure 70s colors. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. Let me take the cardboard out. But yeah, I mean, look at the inside of this. It's got the dancing bears all around the inside. I didn't get any pins. On the backhand side, it's got the bear. This is an extra large. Comes out with a tag. Grateful Dead tag. Yeah, my uncle would have wore this. He wasn't a hat guy, but again, extra large with the Grateful Dead logo. Oh, look at the pen. It's got the little lightning bolt for the pen. They really did a good job in this one. It's got the corduroy on the front. God, corduroy. Who didn't have a pair of corduroy pants back then? It's got this thing's pretty snazzy. All right, so we're going to pause the video. I'm going to show you a close-up, and then we're going to do the old try-on. So here are all the pieces of the pie together. Of course, we got the stickers there. This great artwork for the Grateful Dead. I guess this did come out 2026. I guess it did. But yeah, I got the dancing bear there. But how about this? How about this? I mean, this has got 70s written all over it. Got the corduroy, some more corduroy. Yeah, that cool looking bear there too. And there's the Grateful Dead tag. And I'll probably never wear this, but it's good for my collection. And then the inside, we got like the gargoyle type thing there. But yeah, how about the dancing bears on the brim? If you're a big Grateful Dead fan, this is definitely a must-have. And I really do like it. I really do like this one. Yeah, that's all three of them together. But yeah, that's a great looking cap. Great looking cap. Yep. Let's go ahead and try this bad boy on now. All right, so we got the Grateful Dead 2. I also read somewhere it was called the Truckin' as well. after one of their songs. But yeah, I just can't wait to try this bad boy on. This is nice. Is that quilted? No, that's just a regular. You know, I wish Boston Skelly, I've said this several times, I wish they'd go with this kind of liner in all their caps, because being as lucky as I am where, you know, my hair doesn't grow back, you know, it would definitely help out in the summer times or in the warmer, because the perspiration of that, it's like a suction cup. But yeah, let's go ahead and try this on. Yep. Yeah. I got to steam this, but yeah. Also, if you're in a Wichita area, I got an alert. We're going to get a ton of snow. Snow like, I'm going to use my, snow like we've never seen before. Who does that sound like? Snow like no other. Like never seen before. But yeah, this is the Grateful Dead 2 trucker. And keep on trucking. But yeah, you got that pin on the top. You got the dancing bear on the inside. Not too shabby. I enjoy it. And this cap here, I'm going to give this a nice. I'm not a Grateful Dead fan, but I give this like a 4.5. 4.5 out of 5 for sure. This is a great looking cap. I love the nostalgia of the 70s vibe with the corduroys and all the other good little curtain pieces there. And if you guys know what I mean, if you went to your aunt or uncle's or your grandparents' house, with talk about with those curtains, those heavy curtains. Yeah, that's it. That is it. This is Reviews of Moose. This is the Grateful Dead 2. Let me know what you guys think of this cap. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.